So today we're back with another video about travel luggage, and this time is from ROG. So ROG is usually related to gaming products like gaming smartphone, gaming laptops, gaming peripherals, and PC components, but not for something that is about travel. So this is the ROG slash hard case travel luggage, and as you can see from here, this is a hand carry on luggage. I believe this is 18 inches or 20 inches. All the details will be on the screen. And I have been using this luggage for the past 1 or 2 months. I actually bring this to my travel back to my hometown during the Chinese New Year. And I'm going to share with you my personal experience after using it for 2 months. First of all, the design, tactical. Yeah, I should use the word tactical to describe this. It looks very industrial, and with all those lines and everything, even with the corners are protected by metal edge protectors. This type of clamp and open design, so it is no longer zipper, because zipper usually have a weak spot that someone can actually use a pocket knife or any sort of knife and cut it open and gain access to whatever is inside, even though you have the best locks, but that will not prevent thieves from doing that. And for the handles, at the side we have one, and at the top we do have another handle as well. Of course, you still have this extend handle when you are trying to move it around with this luggage. Oh, by the way, the lock is a TSA compliant locks, so the customs can access to the internals without cutting your locks or damaging it. Taking a look at the internals, here's a compartment whereby they included a removable mesh pocket. You just have to wiggle it around, because this thing is like a hook that you line it up and then put it on top of that. So if you don't need this, you can remove it very easily. They have 2 pockets here so that you can put different types of clothing and stuff in it, or even your chargers, cables, so it doesn't tangle or mess around with your other stuff. At the back of this, you actually have another hidden pocket. Not sure why the zipper is reversed, but yeah, you can still store some of your important documents at the back. The luggage compartment here, we have 2 straps here, so that when you fold your clothes and everything, you just have to not the easiest way to do with single hand, but yeah, there you go. On the other side, as usual, we have another zip compartment. Pretty standard, just unzip it for all your clothes and everything else. Of course, another pocket for your clothes and personal belongings. So personally, I think this is a very standard travel luggage. Of course, they don't have a lot of crazy designs, unlike the Acer Predator, that one. But yeah, judging the price, this one is officially priced at 999 ringgit Malaysia, which is a lot more cheaper compared to the Predator robust luggage. But they are 2 different classes of luggage, so I won't really say which one is actually better. But for those who need a stylish ROG theme, if you really like ROG products and you dig this kind of design, yeah, this is an actually very good looking luggage if you want to carry it around. So that's all I want to share with you, ROG slash luggage. So if you have any questions about this luggage, you can always leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.